Is your Sceptre TV isn't turning on? Don't worry, I've got 9 methods to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue quickly. Method 1. Check for loose power cables. Start by inspecting the power cord connection at both ends. Ensure the cable is firmly plugged into both the TV and the wall outlet. A loose connection can prevent power from reaching your TV. Method 2. Test the outlet. Use another device, like a phone charger or lamp, to check if your wall outlet is working. Sometimes the issue might be with the outlet itself, not the TV. Method 3. Reset power to the TV. Unplug your TV from the wall and leave it disconnected for at least 60 seconds. Then, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. Plug the TV back in and try powering it on again. Method 4. Try a different power cable. If your Sceptre TV uses a detachable power cable, try swapping it with another compatible cable. A faulty power cord could be the issue. Method 5. Inspect for blown capacitors. Carefully open the TV's back panel if you're comfortable with electronics and look for bulging or leaking capacitors on the power supply board. Blown capacitors can prevent the TV from powering on and may require professional repair. Method 6. Check the power button. Ensure the physical power button on the TV isn't stuck or damaged. Sometimes dirt or wear can cause the button to malfunction. Method 7. Use a different remote. Try turning on the TV with a different remote or manually using the power button on the TV. If the remote is faulty, it could be why your TV isn't turning on. Method 8. Disable power saving mode. If your TV has a power saving mode or sleep timer enabled, it might be turning off automatically. Go into the settings and disable these features. If your TV manages to power on for a moment. Method 9. Factory reset your TV. As a last resort, if the TV powers on but won't stay on, perform a factory reset via the settings menu. This will reset the software and can fix issues caused by firmware bugs or corrupted settings. If none of these methods work, it might be time to consult a technician or check your warranty.